stunning custom-built home features a brick front with hardy plank siding, a side entry two-car garage, serene backyard with a screen porch, huge deck, round patio, and fish pond. Hardwood floors on the first floor. Open kitchen has granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances include double-wall ovens, dishwasher, microwave, gas cooktop, and built-in beverage cooler that holds 170 wine bottles. The family room has an open catwalk balcony view and a gas log fireplace. First floor master suite has a tray ceiling, hardwood floors, luxurious bathroom with a granite double vanity, jetted tile surround tub, tiled oversized shower, and 12-feet walk-in closet with custom-built shelves and cubbies. Fresh exterior paint. 2 to 10 home warranty included.